Welcome back guys. Now that we have covered what the dark web is and some of the popular websites on it, let's take a closer look at how the dark web actually works. The dark web is built on a technology called Tor, which stands for the Onion Router. Tor was originally developed by the US Navy as a way to protect the government communications and now an open source and free to use. At the heart of the Tor is a technique called onion routing, which allows users to visit websites without revealing their true identity or IP address or physical location. When a user visits their websites on the dark web, their request is encrypted and passed through a series of relays, each of which adds an extra layer of encryption. This multi-layer encryption is what gives the Tor its onion-like structure. Each relay only knows the identity of the relay that it received the request from and the relay that it needs to send the request to, making it nearly impossible to trace the user's activity back to their physical location. In addition to allowing the user to anonymous, Tor also supports hidden services, which are websites that can only access through the Tor network. These websites have URL in the end .onion, are not indexed by the search engines. In summary, the dark web is built on the technology called Tor, which uses onion routing to allow users to access websites anonymously and securely. By encrypting users' requests and passing them through a series of relays, Tor makes it nearly impossible to trace activity back to their physical locations. Thank you for watching. Welcome back guys. One of the main draws of the dark web is to emphasize anonymity and privacy. In this section, we will be exploring how anonymity works on the dark web and why it is so important. As we have already mentioned, the dark web is built on the technology called Tor, which allows users to browse anonymously by encrypting their requests and passing them through a series of relays. One of the key ways that Tor protects users' information is by not requiring them to provide any personal information. Unlike on surface websites that requires user to create accounts with their real names and email address, dark web websites typically allows user to remain completely anonymous. Another way that anonymity is maintained on the dark web is through use of cryptocurrencies for transactions. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are decentralized, and transactions can be made without revealing user's identity. Anonymity is especially important on the dark web because many of the websites and activities are illegal. Without anonymity, users could be subjected to legal repercussions or social stigma for their online activities. In summary, anonymity is a core feature of the dark web made possible by the technologies like Tor and cryptocurrencies. Anonymity is important for protecting users' privacy and allowing them to freely engage in the activities that might otherwise be illegal or stigmatic. Thank you for watching this lecture. Feel free to ask if you have any questions. See you in the next lecture. Till then, keep learning. Welcome back guys. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have played a significant role in the dark web ecosystem. In this section, we will be exploring why cryptocurrencies are so popular on dark web and how they are used. One of the primary reasons that cryptocurrencies are so popular on dark web is because they allow for anonymous transactions. Unlike traditional payment methods like credit card, bank transfer, cryptocurrencies are decentralized and can be used without revealing their user's identity. Bitcoin is far the most popular cryptocurrencies on the dark web and is often the only payment method accepted by the dark web marketplaces. In fact, a recent study found that over 95% of the time, Bitcoin is used for the transactions. Now, Ethereum is also used for the recent transactions. There are some challenges of using cryptocurrencies on dark web. While cryptocurrencies have advantages for dark web users, they also have some challenges. For one, the value of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin can be volatile, making it difficult to price goods and services on the dark web marketplaces. Cryptocurrencies transactions are also not completely secure. While transactions themselves are anonymous, there are instances on dark web marketplaces being hacked of and users' cryptocurrencies wallet being stolen. Despite these challenges, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum continue to play a major role in the dark web ecosystem, allowing users to engage in anonymous transactions and invade traditional financial institutions. Thank you for watching this lecture. Feel free to ask any questions if you have. See you in the next lecture. Till then, keep learning.